Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl V again, and today I am set up to show you all how to go by cutting your cake toppers on your Cricut. So you can use a cake topper for obviously cakes, but you can use it to top the strawberries, the cupcakes, different types of desserts, different sorts. So today I am going to make a happy birthday topper. It's going to go on top of some strawberries for a order that I have to place later this evening. So we're going to go into the Cricut design space here. Wait till that opens up. Okay, and then from there we're going to start a new project. And since we're on the design space, I'm going to go over here on your left to upload. We're going to upload image. We're going to browse. It's going to take you to your files. I'm going to go to download, and you can put it wherever else you want to put it, on your desktop, documents, whatever. But mine is in my downloads. I am going to open this file. See, there it is. This is the cut image that we're going to use today. I'm going to upload and insert image on our design space. Once we insert our image, we're going to just bring it to the size that we want it to be. And I want this image to be, let's see. We're going to go with, because we're doing a dozen of strawberries. So we're going to go with, let's go with 5 by, the width is going to be, let's go with 5. And the height is going to be, let's do 4. Okay, so we're going to do width, which is going to be 5, and height 4. So this is the size that we want our image to be, so that it can fit nicely in the box. And I might even go down, let's go down to, let's change that, the height. Let's take the height to 3.5 to be on the safe side, because we want it to fit nice and pretty on top of the strawberries. Okay, so now we're going to lock that back so that image can stay locked. Now right here, we're not going to do anything but go over to make it. Over in your right hand top corner, we're going to make it. And see, now it's showing on your Cricut, how it will be placed on your Cricut mat. So this is exactly how we want it. In the paper that I'm going to use today, let me take you over to the things that we're going to use today to finish this project. Okay, so here I have a piece of glitter gold stock, glitter cardstock. We're going to use a small piece of that. You want it to be a little bit bigger than the size that we placed it at, okay? And then we also have a box cutter just in case we need it, a weeder, scissors, and then we have this thing here that we smooth out. I actually can't remember the name of this, but we're just going to use this to smooth out our cardstock if we need to. And then also we have the Cricut mat here to put our cardstock on. So let's go back over here. Let's see. Okay, so from there we're going to go ahead. We're going to continue. Let me open up the Cricut. Get it started. Okay, so we're waiting to find the machine to be connected. And like I said, you can actually do these toppers for different type of events, graduation, Mother's Day, anniversaries, birthdays. So now it's asking for the Cricut device. We're going to connect that so we can move on. Now here is where we want to make sure that we are selecting the type of material that we're going to use. So we're going to browse all material and we're going to look for glitter cardstock. Okay. All right. So there's the glitter cardstock right here. We're going to make sure it's checked off and push done. Now you see here, it's ready for the cardstock. And let me, a lot of people don't tell about this part. Let me pull it up a little. Here, we're going to put our little dowel on custom. So when we, do everything on our Cricut, we always want to make sure that our dowel is set to what type of material we are using. Okay, so we have it set to custom. Our material is gold cardstock. We're going to put more for the pressure. And now from there, well, let's move over this way. Let me get you all here with me. So right here, what we're going to do, I'm going to move all these things. We're going to take our plastic off of our mat. Okay. And so now we're going to place our cardstock down on our mat. And this is when this little tool here come into place. We can just smooth it down. We don't want to press it down too hard because we don't want it to give us a problem. So it's ready to go. And what I did not get to mention to you all is that we don't have to mirror this image. Normally, like if you are doing a project, we would mirror this image to flip the opposite way. Like if I was making a t-shirt, I would mirror that image so that when I place it down, it'll show the right way when it's flat down. But due to me having to just lay it on top of the strawberries, we're going to leave it just like that. So we're going to go back over to our machine in our mat. It's ready to go. And hopefully you can see that the button is showing that we are ready. Let me pull it up here so that we can see. Okay. So we're going to place our mat in and push our button. Now when this little button starts flashing, our little Cricut button, we're going to push that. And this is how it's going to show us that it is ready. And there it goes. It's cutting. So it may take a while with the cutting. So I will be right back after the cutting finished because we have to make sure that our cutting ends on 100% there. So I will be back. Okay, everybody. So now that we are done with our cutting, we're going to remove it out of the machine. And this is how it's looking so far. Okay, so we're going to start weeding this image. Okay, so we're going to take our little tools here and start trying to get our image to peel up. And it's not really that hard. It's just being careful with the little pieces, the really small cut pieces. So we got that piece out. And now we're going to use our little weeding thing for our little pieces. So we just be really careful of how we pick these pieces up out of our image. And that's basically what we are doing, is just removing all of the pieces that are cut so that we can see our happy birthday, or the word happy birthday, with whatever images that we have connected to it, which I have here, the stars. So this one, and you, like I said, you always want to make sure that whatever material you use, like a couple of days ago, let me see, hold on 1 minute, trying to see what else do I'm missing here. Okay, this one. I used the metallic cardstock, and so you would put your Cricut on the metallic cardstock. Okay. So let's see. Oh, I have this one. So you just want to really make sure that you got all your little pieces out. So that when you lift your image, it will be ready to go. So with some of your cake toppers, people usually glue the stick on the back. With this image right here, it came out really nice. With this image right here, I'm not going to put a stick or glue a stick on the back of it, due to it going on top of some strawberries. So we want to be really careful when it comes to lifting the image. So I kind of use my my weeder and slide it under there, because this mat is very sticky. So I kind of slide it on under there to get the pieces lifted. And then once our pieces are lifted enough, we can start. Where's my little piece? We can start pushing. Let me get you to be able to see. So once I start lifting that image up with the weeder, I just start kind of pushing this under. So you really just working this off of this mat. Some people may do it another way, but so far this has been a good way for me. And so there it is. That is our happy birthday topper. It came out really nice and sparkly. So this is it. Like, that is that simple. I will leave the link of where I actually get my where I download my image to put into the Cricut design space for this to cut it. And you'll be able to go there and see which ones you would like, and purchase those, and do it on your Cricut. Is very cheap, and you can make it and design it. It's some of them that you can even add your own name to them, or a name of a friend, family, or member, or child. But this is it for today. It came out that simple. This is the back. It's just a piece of cardstock, and I'm going to lay it right on top of my strawberries once I finish them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe so that you will see what my next video is all about. Thank you. Bye.